Hello friends, it's Ivan, and today we're going to talk about the great UltraStalin and UltraStalinism, and it is a new, exciting thing. It's a very exciting thing. You see, I thought of this because I love Stalin. Stalin, great, magnificent. He put so many people in the Gulag. But I think he could have put more people in the Gulag. So I created a new political philosophy called UltraStalinism, where you have this great ruler called the UltraStalin. And basically, the Gulag is the thing that fix out of the social ills. It is the social program, it takes care of welfare, everything. You just send everyone to the Gulag. Everyone should be in the Gulag, and they should all be walking to death, and with only their one potato a day. And this will get rid of so many people. It's the great UltraStalin. We'll put everyone in the Gulag because they all deserve it. And this is not to oppress them. This is to rid them of the evil that is capitalism. And to rid them of capitalism. Because capitalism, to any communist, to any totalitarian, is a sin. And so, everyone must be rid and cleansed through the Gulag. The Gulag is the solution. Send everyone to the Gulag. Anyways, I am the great UltraStalin. I'm UltraStalin even. Anyways. До свидания.